Vimla Public School, an ISO 9001-2008 certified CBSE school, is a premier educational institution enjoying a place of pride among similar institutions in Idukki district. It is owned and run by CMC Sisters under Pavanatma Province, Kodamangalam since 1997. The school is situated in the lap of impeccably magnificent land, a natural beauty spot of Thodupuzha. With plenty of open space, playing fields and gardens, our students enjoy a beautiful and comfortable learning environment. Just a short walk is all it takes for our students to move between our kindergarten, junior, senior and senior secondary school. Awe-inspiring Wi-Fi enabled infrastructure comprising of well-ventilated and digitalized classrooms, science, maths and language laboratories and libraries is what we have designed for providing personalized learning and high-quality teaching to enable everyone to achieve their potential. The entire school community endeavors to follow the school motto of being lights to light others.
Vimla Public School is committed to and has a highly dedicated team to impart quality education. We dedicate ourselves to the mission of the training the present generation for academic excellence and character formation based on value systems, love of God and service to the society and the country. We envision the total formation of the young generation of the time for their enrichment and the society and the nation at large.
We have the most beautiful, interested and talented children from in and around Thodupuzha who are truly here to learn, grow and excel in life and to be the light for their family and the society as a whole. 20 years on the path of progress, Vimla Public School still continues her march towards educating her student community in order to build a healthy, knowledgeable society and a strong nation. At junior school, we have developed one of the finest curriculum blending the most effective integrated learning solutions consisting of textbooks, interactive series, multimedia, and much more released by leading publications and educators all across the country. Senior school follows the curriculum and syllabi of the Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi for the secondary and senior secondary.
Vimla aims for a value-based generation who are adept in facing the growing challenges of an ever-changing society. The history of our institution is scripted by the strenuous efforts and consistent steadfastness of the management, staff and parents so as to give every Vimlaite the best.
The objective of the curriculum is to fully develop the students' individual potentials rather than to confine them to books alone. The medium of instruction is English. Hindi and Malayalam are also included in the curriculum. Periodical evaluation and parent-teacher meetings help to assess the level of attainment of students.
This vision and principles give our educational institutions a specific character. Human excellence being the priority, we aim at forming children into well-integrated, matured, patriotic, compassionate, and socially conscious human beings.
Regular trips to heritage sites, biodiversity parks, museums, bird sanctuaries and industrial visits, exhibitions, technology centers give students real-life experiences. 1 hour remedial session each in the morning and evening for all subjects are arranged for students, keeping in view that each child has his or her own pace of learning. The school has 2 well-equipped libraries, the junior school library and the senior school library. The serene ambience of libraries inspires students to develop a love for reading. Information at the click of a fingertip invites the young users to delve into the wealth of e-research material available. A scientific temperament is nurtured through fully equipped and suitably designed laboratories for physics, chemistry, and biology. A thought lab is also established for enhancing higher order thinking skills and questioning temperament in students. Language lab enables the learner to have a good command of the language for communication purposes, with clarity and accuracy being vital for effective and efficient communication. To nurture the latent talent of children, co-curricular activities are introduced in the school curriculum. We provide a wide variety of athletic teams, fine and performing arts program, as well as academic, social, literary and service clubs. To bring out the latent talent in each child, a wide array of activities like yoga, skating, karate, music, dance, home science, chess, drawing and painting, and taekwondo are focused. The basement of the school is always lively with abundance of activities ranging from the drama workshops to dance classes, yoga sessions, and music practices. The entire school, including the staff members, is divided into 4 houses. As in spiritual abode, the patron saints of each house, their qualities and vision uniquely and beautifully blend into each other, contributing towards making it a unified whole.
Our office staff is very active. If something needs to be done, all we have to do is just to mention it and it is done.
Review of achievement data and discipline patterns to improve school performance are an integral part of our school culture. The school offers excellent coaching and provides students with ample opportunity to participate and excel at zonal, district, and national level events and competitions. Outdoor sports at school include football, basketball, volleyball, badminton, and tennis, along with skating facility. We have a democratically elected prefectorial leadership team using electronic voting system. The elected student council undergoes a well-structured and planned training program to develop their leadership skills and empower them to execute their duties with confidence and responsibility. Student-led assemblies are conducted independently by the students. Vimla has a spiritual atmosphere which is reflected in our school. In order to promote the faith formation, we conduct daily common prayer service, catechism and moral science classes, retreats for staff and students, concentration exercise, reciting prayer to Saint Kuriakose Elias Chavra, recitation of Bible verses and the Word of God on the board, inspirational music in the intervals, Holy Mass on First Fridays, facility for confession, state-of-art prayer room with a divine presence and atmosphere, Patroness Day celebration, promotion of KCSL and DCL, observation of feast days of various saints and prayer service, observance of Silence Day on all Wednesdays, program to propagate Marian devotion like Rosary Procession and 10 Days Rosary Devotion, solemn and pious celebration of Christmas and other days of importance, classes on importance of sacraments, distribution of biographies of saints, picture stories and other Catholic publications, telecasting of film, role play, skit and discussion on spirituality, dedication of halls and auditoriums to various saints, founder and patroness, training in Indian spirituality and so on. Class teachers along with subject teachers teaching in a particular class go for house visiting of the students of that class. This enables us to know the student more, get involved and strengthen the relationship with the parents. House visiting is done on every first Saturday. The counseling department provides support and services to students and parents for academic, behavioral and personal counseling. Vimla makes you lights to light others.